Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. For any medical device manufacturer, expanding into new countries is the key to growth, but it's also one of the biggest challenges. Each market has its own set of rules, its own submission process, and its own long review timelines. Filing in 10 countries often means 10 separate, expensive, and time-consuming projects. This fragmentation has been a major barrier to accessing markets, especially in dynamic regions like Southeast Asia. However, a major shift is underway that smart companies are watching closely. The era of regulatory islands is ending, replaced by a strategic trend called regulatory reliance. This is where one country's regulatory authority will consider, and in many cases, accept the assessments and approvals from a trusted counterpart. Last week, this trend took a significant leap forward in the ASEAN region. The medical device authorities of Malaysia and Thailand officially launched a new pilot reliance program. This is a game changer for the region. In practice, it means that a medical device that has already secured approval from Malaysia's Medical Device Authority, or MDA, can now benefit from an expedited and simplified registration process in Thailand. And the agreement works in the other direction as well. This isn't just about reducing paperwork. It directly impacts the bottom line and speed to market. Instead of starting from zero, a company can leverage its existing approval dossier. This can cut review timelines by months, sometimes even by more than half. The program focuses on medium to high-risk devices, which typically face the most scrutiny. By creating this regulatory bridge, Malaysia and Thailand are making their markets significantly more attractive for innovation. This is not an isolated event. It's part of a broader pattern of harmonization across Southeast Asia. We've seen similar memorandums of understanding, for example, between Malaysia and Singapore. These nations are recognizing that they can maintain high standards of safety and efficacy without reinventing the wheel for every single product. They are building a network of trust. This allows them to focus their resources on the highest risk products while allowing safe and effective technologies to reach their populations faster. For medtech companies, this changes the entire strategic map. An approval in a key ASEAN market like Malaysia suddenly becomes a strategic asset with ripple effects across the region. It transforms the question from which single country do we target next to which approval unlocks the fastest multi-country access. This requires a shift in thinking from a country-by-country slog to a regional platform strategy. Understanding the nuances of these reliance programs, knowing which reference country approvals are accepted, and preparing your technical documentation accordingly is now a critical competitive advantage. The future of global market access is not about endlessly repeating work. It's about leveraging trust and efficiency. For more insights on how to navigate these evolving global regulations, you can email us or visit our website. Contact Pure Global at info@pureglobal.com or visit us at https://pureglobal.com.